When he was a puppy, he ended up with a pretty severe limp, and after some x-rays, extensive x-rays with Angel Memorial, they decided that he was not a surgical candidate, as his bone formation is good, it just does not sit well for his hips. So they suggested some alternative treatments, and after searching high and low of the internet, I came across Dr. Tramberg, and we have been coming, what are we on? Almost a year now. He has gone back to acting like a little puppy, no hip problems, absolutely no issues since we started. Good boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know both hips are out, aren't they?
Yeah, we waited an extra week this time.
Ah.
Ah.
You're being a good boy. Does that feel better? I want to check your elbows. Can we have you sit?
You sit.
Good boy. Thank you. That's just what I wanted. I wanted your paw.